Hi friends, in last video we have seen what are the data types available in Python. So this is a number, we can use a string, list, dictionary, boolean and float also. But in this video we will learn about the type function. What is the type function? So let's start. So here you can see what is the type function. So the type function in a Python is used to check the data type of any object. It helps to identify whether a value is a int, float, string, list, etc. So it can also be used to create a new classes dynamically. This is advanced use. We don't need to go in advance now. So syntax of a type. To check the data type, just type and in bracket pass the value. To create a new type class, this is advanced concept. So here you can see in example x equals to 10 and print type of a x. So output will get class int. So we will try this. So example, simultaneously we are trying this example as well. So just copy this, Ctrl C and open our VS Code and create a new file. So we are seeing the type function. Type function dot py. Dot py is a Python file extension. And one more thing, if you don't know about these symbols, here you can see the extensions. So whenever you are doing any programming in VS Code or Python, just this extension symbol is a plugins or extension you can download. So this will give you suggestion, auto code complete. Just like first of all we see the Python extension because we are doing a Python coding. So just type here Python, you will get a Python extension. So after this git, you can install this extension in VS Code. So you can use this. So it's getting time. So now let's start our program because it's taking too much time. So just like in type function, suppose I type my name here, name equals to, suppose in double quotes, string can use in double quotes, single quotes and triple quotes also. AUTTAM. This is a name. We know this is a string. So how we can know this? Just like a type print and type this is a name. Because we should know we are working which data type. So this is a validation of a data type. Here you can see already we have seen. So it helps to identify whether a value is a float, integer, string. So we are using this type function to know we are using a which data type. So just run this file. Here you can see the output. So here you can see this is a class str, right? So this name data type is a str. So for knowing which data we can use type function. Also same for integer support. Suppose I use age equals to 22 suppose. and we are printing types of this data age. Now run. So here you can see this is the age, directly print age, but we want to know which data, so just type is a function. So now you will get the output of a, here you can see the integer. So age is a integer, so you can know any data type, just pass the value or variable in that data, so they will identify which data you are working. So type function is very useful to validate and identify the data. It can also be used to identify. So we have seen this example. So we get the output of a int. So here you can see the other example, x equals to 10, y equals to 3.14. So z equals, suppose someone don't know about this point, so this is a floating data type. So here you can see print type of x, first 10 is given int, and print type of y, so it will get output float, and print type of z, so it will get a class as a string. So we can identify the data and validate the data. Comparing types, these are advanced concept we will learn in another video. Just we use this type is equal to int, so we can validate the data and compare the data. So real life use cases, here you can see debugging, check what kind of data is being handled, dynamic programming, validations. Type tells what type of object you are dealing with. Type can create a new class. Knowing data types help prevent logical errors. So that's all about the type functions. So you can use a type function and pass the any data. Suppose this is a string, this is an integer. Now we pass the float. Just second. Okay, just the height. Suppose height is 5.6, and now you can see is print height data types. Use type function. So here you can see this Python is giving auto suggestion. Why? Because I have installed this extension. Here you can click and you can install. Here you can see this Python extensions. I already installed this Python debugger, this Python. First of all, when you start this program in VS Code, just install these extensions. Here you can install. Here already I installed, that's why it's showing. Here you can see install already. So you can also install. This is called as a Project Explorer. Here you can see. So we are working on this file. So here you can see we are seeing this type of a height. You can see this will show float. Here you can see the float. So what we learn in this video, type functions. So by using type function we can know any data types. So if you don't know what is this data, so just use type function and give this object, pass this objects in this function. So you know which data you are working. Any type of a data object, pass in type function and you will get the output. So you will clear about your working. So that's all about a type function. So thank you for watching this video.